Good day. Welcome back to the charts, guys. You're tuned in to the crypto flight edition of the channel here. I'll be your fellow passenger as we revisit the charts to see if we can understand the market's direction. Guys, this is a very powerful video. I'm going to reveal to you guys how I'm able to understand these market fluctuations and market reversals. We're going to take a look at the Xrpbtc pairing. We're also going to revisit a video that we posted on November the 11th. Very powerful information, guys. We literally predicted XRP would go to a specific level, and we were literally about 4 Satoshis away from that level. Guys, stick around to the end. We're going to reveal all of that information for you. If you're new just joining us, welcome in. Consider hitting the subscribe button if you enjoy the content as we go along. All of my loyal subscribers, welcome back on in, guys. Let's not waste time. Let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's November the 21st, 2020. The current price of XRP and BTC pair is going to be 2,100 sats and 47. Remember, sats are basically just pennies in the dollar, and BTC is the dollar, okay? So it's up about 21% for the day. All right, so let's just go right into that video that we posted on November the 11th, if you can see that right down here. And if you notice on the video, at that time, it was 1637 Satoshis, okay? So we're going to take a listen in. And just to make sure that we're staying consistent with our thesis, we have it. I'm going to make a pretty bold statement, okay? We're 80 to 90% accurate on the channel. I know that seems like a stretch, but guys, everything we say has been documented. Please take a moment to just kind of view our videos to verify that information. But let's just listen in on November 11th video that we posted on XRP, and that video prediction goes as followed. So let's see, we got 6 more days to close on this. Yeah, actually that's I don't know, that's a lot of days before we get a close. So here's what may happen over the next 6 days in XRP. We may actually, at the very minimum, again, I'm very conservative, guys. We should probably get at least a retest of 1804 Satoshis, and hopefully we get a very, very minimal volume in here, because if that happens, man, this thing is really gonna move, guys. Like, I don't see why XRP would have a problem re-entering these 2 green lines up here and potentially even reaching as high as, just put a horizontal line here, somewhere near this level right here at about 2,300 Satoshis, okay? So there you have it, folks. I don't know if you can see this number here on the screen over to the right-hand side where I'm hovering my mouse. It says 2334. So we haven't moved any lines. Let's just go back to the chart, our original chart, pull up those lines just to make sure that everything that we said is still as it should be, okay? So let's see. Well, first of all, here's where we made the video. If we just zoom in here, November the 11th, this weekly candle here, it was developing and it still had like 6 days to close. It was on this candle here. And we said, don't be surprised if it goes all the way up to 1,800 Satoshis. It didn't quite make it up to that level on that weekly candle, which is what we predicted for it to happen. We'd like to see at least an 1,800 Satoshi value test on this weekly candle. That didn't happen. We got that wrong. But on the very next, well, we were just looking for a low volume, okay, on that weekly candle. We got that low volume on this candle, and XRP was not interested in continuing that downwards pressure, and boom, we got that move to the upside here. Now, here's where it gets really interesting, guys. You see this green line? This is the green line that we put on the chart on that video. If you can, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of difficult a little. Over here on the right side, 2334 Satoshi value, and literally XRP came up to that line and almost kissed that line. Now, is this it? Like, is this the official rejection and it's going to go lower? I have no idea, guys. But I think it was pretty interesting to show you guys that, excuse me, it's very important to understand support and resistance, the resistance support, and how to identify reversals in the trend. We were well ahead of the crowd here, guys. I'm pretty sure they're posting videos about how, you know, XRP is going to go to the moon, and it could very well be on the way to the moon here, guys, but I'm not sure. I just take my conservative price levels, get in, get out of the markets. And also, if you're interested in learning how I was able to identify this level down here, I don't know if you guys remember, it was at about 1636 Satoshis at the beginning of the video there. It was right down here. There's a course that we're going to recommend down in the description section. Be sure to check that out down below, guys. that's how we were able to identify whether or not this was a good buy-in at the time of the video. So very powerful course that we use all the time in conjunction with understanding candlesticks in comparison to volume, and understanding trend reversals in the price action. So not only do you, if you're going to sign up for that course, that's fine, guys, but it's also important to understand candlesticks, just basically market reversals, okay? Because that's when it becomes very powerful and you have an extreme edge on anyone else in the market, because you can understand these things before they happen. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to stop in, do a really quick video to show you guys this has come to fruition. Everything is looking really good in the markets here. We're not chasing anything, guys. Our price targets have been hit, so that's it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Be sure to leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there. Leave a comment down below. Let me know where you think XRP is going to go. If I just, if this thing is going to go up another 1,000% to the upside. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's Napoleon Macro. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate your time. Take care of yourselves. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.